Hey guys, it's me, the Claw here, and I'm here to show you guys an application called Pocket Goud. Alright, it's a heck of fun, and yeah, hope you guys like it. And I'll tell you all the details. Yeah, so first, it's 99 sales. Not that much, just 99 cents, $1. It's okay. I bought it. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I guys wanted to tell you guys. Sorry, nothing really. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so I got open my iPod. Boop. In my iPod. Sorry, you guys can't really see it upside down, can you? Where's my pocket goud? Somewhere here. Okay, pocket goud. Sorry, I play with this lots of times. So there. You got like these little pigeons. I don't know what the heck, but I think they're. Yeah, see. That one's building the wood. That one just ate a fish that I cooked with the other fire. And yeah, see how they build the wood? Watch. Just gonna move them here. Don't want that one to get burned by lightning. Wow, see? Made. Look, I can't fish. Yay. You get yourself fishing. Okay, so, woo! You're like, boop. Sorry. Boop, boop, boop. Watch this. Get the chicken. Ooh, gosh, I just cooked a chicken. What the heck happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't let them eat anything disgusting like that chicken. That's disgusting. It's overcooked. Yeah. Ah! Ooh, that just caught. Get caught. Eating? It's for trolls. I'm sorry, but I have to cut you. I'm burn you. So I'm burning one of these. But just go on. So yeah, that's Pocket Gold, and hope you guys like it. It's 99 cents. If you guys have this application already, comment below and say if you like it. And if you guys don't have it, get it. And if you liked this application, get the get this Pocket Gold. It's only 99 cents. And yeah, if you guys like this review or this app, if you guys like this application, press like. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So, peace. Comment and subscribe.